We're gonna go check out the 1995 GMC Yukon. It's the pop-up pooler now. It's the second trip pulling the pop-up. On the first trip we had a few issues with the hesitation on the initial acceleration. So this year we did the full tune-up. We did the tie rods, the fuel filter, the air filter, oil change, distributor, cap and rotor, spark plug wires. Let's go check her out. She did really great this time, no hesitation. I can't complain at all. For under $1,500 with title and license, she's great. She's got a lot of work ahead of her, of course, to get some body work and a few things here and there. Hopefully a lift kit soon. But like I said, she did perfect. I can't complain one bit.